So, so I stopped to eat, and it's making me feel better but sick at the same time. It is Taco Bell after all. Now it's pretty good. I got a big ass Mountain Dew. It's been a weird day. I'm sitting here parked near where Papa's and Beer and Taco Bell are. It says it's red on my Doordash, but I'm not getting pings from either of my apps. So I'm gonna finish my tacos and chill. I did call customer service again, customer support, Doordash support. And I called, and after a while talked to somebody, and in a couple minutes they were able to remove the contract violation that I had for being 12 minutes late to Happy China Garden, and that was here in Waynesville. But it's gone. I really don't want to go out and deliver with a contract violation already on there. I feel like if they can remove it before I have the chance to get another one, that's good. And they did. However, when they were looking up my information, they were able to see the last violation I got for not bringing the pizza and Italian food to the bad area of town. I knew I was going to get one. I got one. They removed it very quickly when I called customer service. Same with this one. But they are still in their record somewhere. I don't know what that means. I think they want us to drive for them, but I don't want to make any dumb contract violations, and I want to start working more at night, and I'm bound to get more contract violations then. I do my best. So, I'm sitting here. It's red. 500 feet from a hot zone. And check my Uber's. It's on. I'm at 12:41 on Uber now, so that was like a nice little order. So I wait. I got rid of my contract violation. I'm gonna start working my butt off delivering as many as I can. Get up to $3,500. Alright, well, my little hot spot here is by the Zaxby's. And there's a Dasher already sitting in my spot. Who's that right there sitting in my spot? Damn it. Damn Dashers. Sitting in my spot. Alright. Over ahead is the Happy China Garden where I got my happy contract violation. I don't think it was them that did it. I really just don't. I'd like to know. Where should I just park my car? Somewhere in the plaza. This is the plaza I like to hang out in. I know I see these other drivers there, so I guess just chill out. Wait for something good. Biggest order of the night. Coming right now. Just look at all these places. Man, there's a Papa John's, Jack the Dipper. Up in here is a Burger King and a Wendy's. And the Happy China Grand Buffet Garden, and Zaxby's, and Pueblo Burritos, and I'm not getting even no DoorDashes, nothing. It's 7:44. I mean, should I be just sitting around eating ice cream waffle cone? Where are my orders? Okay, I neglected to say that I'm near an Arby's and I got the best order of the night. It's hidden, but I know it's the best order. $6.25 or something for Arby's for just a couple miles. I'm finna go to Arby's. This is that Mexican place. Everybody's driving like crazy.
Switch to DirecTV and learn how to get the 2022 NFL Sunday Ticket season included at no extra cost. Call 1-800-DirecTV.
The fall race to the Taps 5K is Saturday, September 24th. The race starts and ends at Oscar Blues Brewery in Brevard, with live music from 5J Barrow before and after the race. And we'll toast your achievement at the finish line. The King and Queen of Taps will be awarded for best beer or running.
Arbs.
A $35 race registration also includes a long sleeve shirt. So don't wait.
See that sign on the door? That's very helpful. I hate when there's no sign on the door when it's closed. I'll tell you what.
Are you ready to get your world rocked? Are you ready to get your mind blown?
Yes, I am.
105.9 The Mountain.
Texas is an Arby's. Order when you're ready.
Hi there. I'm here for a pickup for Laura B for Doordash.
We just got it through, and it might be minutes.
A minute or like 20 minutes?
A minute, sir. Please pull up to the window.
Okay. Hello. Yeah, for Doordash for Laura B, please. Awesome. Wow. It looks like a lot anyway. Awesome. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. All right, got the Arby's. And it's gonna rain. So, but this is gonna be the best. There's gonna be some hidden tip action on here. It's gonna be amazing. I don't see an address once again. I feel like I've been here before though. 74. It says it. Beautiful out. Ugh. I think that just might be my last delivery. I gotta save my energy. I want to do more hours tomorrow, Thursday, and then Friday and Saturday through the weekend. This is a little rough. It's starting to rain too much and it's gonna get dark. I'm just not comfortable. So I think I'm going to head home. I'm gonna keep my apps on for that killer order that even beats this wonderful order, which I don't think it even said what I got. Alright, well, off I go home or to my last deliveries. Oh my god. Alright, I'm 18 minutes from home. I still have over a quarter tank of gas. So whatever gas I bought yesterday made it through today mostly. So this rain, I'm just not good at it yet. I'm working on it, okay? I promise. Okay, here we go. Back home. Only 13 miles away home. Under 20 minutes.